Trump just bought more altcoins 1 hour ago, so I had to get this emergency video out to you as soon as possible. This was covered by Arkham Intelligence, and they are one of the top people sleuthing the blockchain, looking at all the whale wallets and the major celebrity wallets, and they watched Trump's wallet, and they realized Trump's World Liberty Fi wallet is buying $50 million worth of crypto as we speak, and we got a more recent post from this one because he's made an additional move. And then I'm going to tell you the secret altcoin I think is the next one that's a likely target. It is in his list. So in the past hour or so, World Liberty Fi has purchased almost $5 million in Chainlink and in Aave and in Tron and in Athena. And then they end up tripling that purchase with Wrap Bitcoin and quadrupling that purchase for Ethereum, spending nearly $20 million on Ethereum and almost $15 million on Wrap Bitcoin. Let's go ahead and look at the Trump wallet. So what we're looking at right here is World Liberty Financial's wallet. They have almost $1/3 billion in crypto. They have a massive crypto portfolio here. Let's go look at the coins, and I'll tell you why I am bullish on one particular coin that they have been accumulating. And so the number one holding is going to be Ethereum, followed by stablecoin. They have $50 million in USDC, and they have almost $10 million in USDT. Now they have about $40 million in Bitcoin on the Ethereum blockchain. That's what wrapped Bitcoin means. Aave, Chainlink, and Athena. So the Athena purchase, you can see, is largely the bulk of what they bought so far. They had less than $1 million worth. Tron, this put their Tron purchase on the map with the $4.7 million. And then we scroll down. USA Coin is a meme coin that the community gifted to Donald Trump's wallet. It has actually grown to a considerable amount, but it's the next coin that I am bullish on. That coin is Ondo. And so originally, Ondo and Athena was pretty close to the same amount, but Ondo had a little bit of a pullback because of some FUD that is behind it now. They had a big token unlock a couple days ago, about a day or two ago, but now that the sell pressure is behind it, I'm very, very bullish on Ondo. And so I don't expect them to want to have their bottom holding, which is Ondo. Everything else you're seeing below here has just been airdropped in the wallet. People just trying to give them tokens. That's why you might see, only $16 of a coin here, $1,000 of a coin there. People are literally giving them coins, and they got 1 million USA coin. That million USA coin is now worth more than a altcoin that they purchased. And I don't think that they want their Ondo holding to be dwarfed by a random meme coin that was dropped into the wallet. And you saw that they have purchased, either bought more of or bought a considerable amount of all of these assets, and Ondo's coming in at last place. So I expect some sort of correction here. If you're using cold storage, don't use the bootleg products out there. Stick with the best so your portfolio is also going to be the best and the most secure out there. And we're talking about Arculus Cold Storage with their new sleek premium metal cards. They have all different types and styles: embedded, metal veneer, metal hybrid. Imagine the looks around the table when you slam down your 21-gram full metal cold storage card. Everyone's going to be in shock. Everyone's going to be in awe. And it's not just your portfolio bags, it's how you're securing it with the Arculus Cold Storage. Make sure you use code DC20 to save you 20%. Now let's look at why I'm super bullish on Ondo. This is a very, very big Ondo bull. He just loves posting about Ondo. Upbit is causing a short squeeze in Ondo. Upbit now owns 3% of all Ondo. Just last night, it was only 2.8%. And if you look at the wallet, they're buying millions of dollars of Ondo every single hour. And it's almost like, what do they know? Upbit, if you don't know, top Korean exchange. This is the #1 crypto exchange in all of South Korea. South Korea loves cryptocurrency. So even though they have a smaller GDP and a smaller population, a higher percentage of their people love crypto. So Upbit is a little bit bigger than you would originally think. And this giant Korean exchange is buying as much Ondo as they can. Now look at this post right here. One of the leading RWA projects, Ondo Finance, it is a real-world asset play. They're trying to tokenize U.S. Treasury, tokenize everything you could probably think under the sun eventually. They're partnering with BlackRock. They're partnering with the major financial institutions. So this real-world asset project, Ondo, saw a huge spike in daily new addresses this weekend, peaking 1,440 new addresses just on Saturday alone. So what do these people know? What does Upbit know? What do these whales know? What do these wallet holders know? Something is going on with Ondo. So let's go into the price chart because I want to give you a price prediction as well here. So this is the FUD of the token unlock. Token unlock actually happened. I want to say it was right here. So normally, and I've covered this in depth in the past, normally when you have a large unlock, if it is a bullish project, the bounce usually starts 1 week before the unlock. So the bottom happens before the unlock. You would think tokens are unlocked, the sell pressure creates a lower low. Well, if it's a strong project, the token unlock fear usually dumps the project before the token unlock, and then it's normally bouncing from then, especially if it's a bullish project. A lot of these people who are having these Ondo token unlocks, they're opening up their laptop, they have Ondo tokens that they can sell. A lot of it they're just going to hold and accumulate, and there's a vesting schedule. There's a schedule. They pop open their laptop, they might get 1 million tokens, but they're only going to get a small amount on the same day of the month each month. I think it's the 19th. So they might only have, 1 or 2% that they're going to sell out of the 100% of tokens they get eventually. Overblown FUD when it came to the selling fears. Now let's go into the charts here. I want to use a fib extension tool. So first thing we need to do, we need to go from the swing high to the swing low. I'm going to use a swing low over here, use that dotted line, and see what the price action is telling us. So let's go to the 4-hour chart so we can more closely track this. So on the fib, you could tell the fib has been pretty well respected here. So found a top, and then the next time it tried to come up, hit the 786, found its first support at the 618 there, and then ended up finding a support at the 0.5. And if you look, well, that's exactly pretty much where things started to slow down, and it's been trying to wick past this area right here. So the price predictions for Ondo, I am bullish, and I think we're more likely going to test this part of the range than we are going to test this part of the range. So I see is coming up to the 786 sometime in the short term. That's going to be $1.73. Let me move this one millimeter for you so you can kind of see it right there. So $1.73. Now, if we go to the next level, that's going to be the previous all-time high. That was a little bit above $2. You can almost see the psychological support of $2 as people are selling at that psychological target. Well, let's talk about the moonshot number for Ondo, because I do think we're going to break this $2.15 range. I think we're going to skyrocket above it. And the fib is telling us that next level, potentially, $3.36. So keep an eye out on Ondo. I am expecting, some pretty good pumps in the near term. And I think if we get a World Liberty Fi purchase of Ondo, huge pumps are going to be then following. Because again, USA coin being worth more than Ondo, if you're some, stiff dude in a suit and tie and you're trying to give Trump the financials. He's, Trump calls you in the Oval Office. He's inside the White House. He's like, tell me about the World Liberty Fi wallet. What do we got going on? And you're like, well, sir, Ondo has been passed by a meme coin. There's a, non-zero chance to be like, all right, we got to start upping this Ondo. This is almost embarrassing at this point, so, folks. So keep an eye out on the Trump wallet. We're going to be following the Trump wallet very closely. But I did say there was new news that I wanted to share with you here. If we scroll up, this is breaking. That's why I had to do this emergency video from the bunker here. Donald Trump, the instant he was sworn in, World Liberty Fi bought more Bitcoin. So we're bullish on Bitcoin. We're bullish on all these American coins. We're bullish on these World Liberty Fi tokens, but I am super bullish on Ondo. So hopefully this helps you decipher Trump's wallet and see, what is hot, what is not. I think all the projects are pretty strong. Number one choice is going to be Ondo. If I had to choose a second coin to buy, pretty bullish on every single coin on this list, but it's going to be Chainlink coming in at a close second there. So that's the two coins I would keep an eye out on. I'm DZ for Discover Crypto. I'll see you in your Trump bags at the top.